Google's Pixel Fold 2 has already leaked, but now we're getting our best look yet through CAD-based renders that show off the wild camera bump, reveal the bigger size, and also show the inner display BZ posted to SmartPre. These renders of the Pixel Fold 2 show the device in line with previous leaks. According to this leak, we're looking at a cover display measuring in at about 6.4 inches. That's a big increase from the 5.8-inch display on the original Pixel Fold, and even larger than the 6.31-inch screen on the front of the OnePlus Open. While the inner foldable panel relies on a 7.9-inch flexible OLED screen, it's significantly taller and thinner than the original. The camera bump has a new shape, one that's very far removed from the original Pixel Fold's visor-like contraption. And as you can see that it's come with a triple camera setup, main camera, ultra-wide, and periscope zoom lens. The Google Pixel Fold 2 might skip the Tensor G3 chipset of the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro and jump straight to the Tensor G4 in the Pixel 9 and 9 Pro, which probably also means it will only be introduced alongside those devices in October, and not in May like the original Pixel Fold. And upcoming Google Tensor G4 Geekbench score revealed. The Pixel Fold 2 features 16GB of LPDDR5 RAM, and 256GB of UFS 4.0 storage. Let me know in the comments below your thought. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.